2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.